guys, welcome back to another fantastic video. I saw Shazam in theaters. I don't know if you guys saw it, but I saw an early showing of it. And then I saw it again, because I loved it. It was awesome. It was great. It was great. And if you haven't seen it yet, you should go out and see it. But it inspired me to do my own Shazam cosplay. So here we go. I'm going to teach you guys how to be Shazam. First, you must master the word. Like me. Watch. Shazam! See? There you go. There you have it. I am Captain Marvel, otherwise known Sparkle Fingers. No, Shazam. I'm going to teach you guys how to make this awesome chest emblem that lights up. And this cape. This is going to be a two-part video. Part 1, chest emblem. Part 2, the cape. Alright, let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of the Shazam cosplay. So first, I pulled up some reference photos, then I made a few sketches of what I wanted it to look like. That's the hood. And now I have a piece of fabric. It is 2.5 yards long. Then I made a template out of newspaper and cut that out and folded over. It's 12 inches at the bottom. Unfolded, it's 25 inches. So then I hemmed it, folded it over with an iron, ironed it out, and put it under the needle. So it looked good. And now I folded it back over, pinned it. So it's very important that the top of the hood is aligned perfectly, because you don't want a yonky, wacky looking hood. Yeah, I make words up as I go along. Then simply just a straight stitch. Yeah. And then boom, you have a hood after you're done with it, and it looks something like this. Boom, Shazam, yes. Whoa. Next, decorating. So I got some ribbon. It's Roman ribbon from Joann Fabrics, and I did that on both sides using a zigzag stitch. Later on, I realized that it would be best just to do one side. So the cape is, this is the cape, folded over, it's 12 inches at the top, and unfolded, it's 25. And so yeah, I did that, and I used the Roman ribbon on one side, not both sides. Both sides I did the hood only, because that's the main part people pay attention to, is your face. And so yeah, so then you do that. The next thing I did, I put the ribbon on. I sewed both sides with a straight stitch, so the left and right side of the ribbon to the cape, of the edge of the cape. And next, after that, I made a smaller cape, because that's what Shazam has in the movie, a cape on top of a cape with a hood. And so that's how I cut it out, just the same as the bigger cape, but just smaller. I did have to trim it up as I went along, because it was a little too big. So always cut bigger, because you can go smaller, you can't go the opposite way. Simply hem that on and put the ribbon. Now I'm sewing the cape and the little cape together. Then I took the hood and sewed that on. So I didn't sew all 3 fabrics at once. I sewed 2, then the hood. I did not hem the bottom of the hood. I probably should. It might have turned out a little bit better. But yeah, this project was a lot of fun. It's tedious work, because you're sewing, but the end result, I love it. It's great. It does the job. You look like Shazam. Boom! That's it. Alright guys, well that comes to the end of another awesome video. If you guys like this, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give a thumbs down. Sorry, I do my best. But yeah, leave a comment in the comment section below. I love to hear from you guys. I respond to every single comment, even if it's a mean one. I try to do my best. Yeah, this is my beginning of my Shazam cosplay. Yeah. Oh, and make sure to check out my Facebook page, Toledo Batman. I post everything Batman or superhero related that I'm doing. So you can follow along with that. And also hit that notification button so next time you know when I post another awesome video. Alright, until next time, train like a hero, be a hero. I'll see everybody later. Bye.